Hello, this is Yannis from Repair. Today we will do as I have promised to some of you in the comments of the previous video that you will see its link inside our current, how we transfer in the BIOS the serial number and the Windows key and the model number, whatever we want to transfer from a backup to a BIOS that we have downloaded or anything. We strongly recommend that you always back up the BIOS bin. And if you want to just download a BIOS in order to work, then just do it. But the best practice is to clean this BIOS by yourself and you will be better and very sure that it worked. The cleaning of the BIOS, it is of course only for the EMI region and of course only for Intel platforms. We are not going to find EMI region in AMD platforms. So let's go and see how we'll deal with this situation. So we're here in our desktop. We have already backed up the bin file from our target, and we have just downloaded from a site another bin file that hopefully it will work. That's why we always recommend to clean your own BIOS file. So we're doing the windows in vertical alignment in order for us to compare. That's the drill. We want to compare the two BIOSes. We can see its start. We compare the start and the end of the file in order to determine that the BIOS is good, that it has the same start and end, which is very relieving that we are having the right BIOS because we can download anything. Even a kid, a baby, can upload a BIOS ROM file and name it like that, you know. So we want to have the same start and end of the file. Now, we must try and find what we want. What we want, it is of course the model number, the serial number, and maybe the Windows key. In order to find such a thing, we must type the model number or the model ID or whatever we want to find. In our case, we are having a Samsung that is having this ID, this model number. It is an MP270, and we can find in the hex editor using the Control F in order to type this model. You can see there are the same models. We are having the same models here in the two different BIOSes, but on our backup we are having the serial number here, just as the other one, but we are having a Windows key, which we are not having in the right file. We can also see that we are having a Greek version. You can see the GR version of this, since we are living in Greece. This is a different BIOS from a different model, which is not sharing the GR letters. And we must copy and transfer this model with the serial number and of course the Windows key to our working downloaded bin bin file in order to work. It's not a difficult drill, you know. It's just comparing, copying, and pasting things. The thing that you must do is that you must maintain the format. You cannot paste anywhere in the file, in the target file, what you have copied from the original file. So you must maintain the format and the line sequence. You can see there is a certain numbering. You can see that things that are missing from the right file are not missing from the left file. So we are going to, you can see we are selecting all this information we want to copy and just copy. And we want to go to the other file on the same line or maintaining the format of the document. You can see we have a lot of FFs and a lot of zeros, and we must paste this information on our new document in an area that is maintaining the format of this document. If we are going to copy and paste this information to anywhere in the document, we may erase something that is critical for the BIOS to work. So we must be very careful in order to replace the non-existing information of our right ROM file from our right backup, not backup, from our right file that we have downloaded in the right section. This is very critical in order to maintain the size and the information of this file. So after doing that, you can see that it's a little bit different the first file from the second file. We're just saving as this file, and we will add an SN to the BIOS we have edited in order to alter its name and not delete the previous one. We are going to do it now. We will just rename it and add two more characters with SN in order to clarify that we have added the serial number. We're doing it now. So I was saying that there are a little bit different version of the BIOS. You can see that the date was different, and if you check the hex editor in the video, the date issued is different, and there are some letters, some lines that are different. We want to maintain the format of the document, not to make the backup file the same with the file that we have downloaded, because remember that the backup file is not working. We just only want to copy the information. So we can see that in the Explorer that the size of the files are the same, which is very critical. If a bit is changed, will not be the same folder, the same file, and the size will be different, and simply it will not work if we have pasted extra information and not replaced the current information, I mean. So we will open again the backup, which is open, so we have an error, and the backup bin, and we will answer to those we have asked about the transferring of the serial number and the transferring of the Windows key. Now we're going to check if it is correct. We have already transferred the information, and we want to find and compare this information from the backup bin to the edited bin file. So we are sure that this is okay. And now we are going to tell you how you will transfer only the Windows key into your new bin file, or you want just to ensure that you will keep your Windows key to a safe place and use it with your new computer. This method is described now. You can see that I am copying the dots, the 20 dots, and I will run it, search in hex and paste in the finder. And I will press find, and it will find my dots. The 20 dots are just before these Windows key, you can see it, or just turn to hex and type 01 14 zeros, 01 14 zeros, 1D 6 zeros, and you will be in the same place that the 20 dots are now, and you will find the Windows key you're asking for. That was the walkthrough that we are doing with the hex editor, comparing the bin files and copying and transfer them to the new BIOS. If you like this video, consider like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in another repair. Bye.